Hello, my lovely artists. Today we are going to make our bowl of alphabet soup. The next time I see you, we will be making the tablecloth, which is this white space. But today we're working on this. So I'm hoping that our paper will look something like this today when we're done. When you start, you will be getting this piece of paper. It is mostly blank, but it has this big circle on it. You're going to, on the other side, write your name. So I'm going to write my name, Miss Morocco. Okay, so I've written my name, and I'm going to flip it back over so the circle is facing up, and I'm going to start drawing my letters. And I'm going to draw all the letters that I know, and I'm going to use crayons. So the first letter that I know is A. It's at the beginning of the alphabet. To draw an A, I make 2 lines and then 1 in the middle. Okay, and then I'm going to draw a B. You don't have to go in order of the alphabet. You can draw whatever letters you want. Maybe I want to draw an M now, as in Miss Morocco. Like my name, there's an M. And I'm not perfect at drawing my letters, but that's okay. This is really good practice. The more I practice, the better I will get. How about a Z for zebra? Do you guys notice how I'm switching my colors? Every couple letters I change my color and I pick up a new one. There's a C for cat. Now remember, we're not writing any words in here. We're just writing letters. And I know you guys are letter experts, so I can't wait to see you draw all the letters that you know. It's going to look pretty great. There's an S as in snake. I like that word, snake. Or soup. We're making alphabet soup today. Here's a P and a W. I am not finished yet. I have lots of white space I have to fill in. So I'm going to do that with my crayons, fill in the rest of this bowl with letters, and I will come right back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I have finished drawing all of my letters. I had to make some small so I could fit them inside this bowl. Now that I've drawn all my letters in lots of different colors, I'm ready to start painting. The 2 colors we will use today are yellow and orange. When I start painting, I need to dip my paintbrush in my water first. And I have a little cup of water right here. So I'm going to take my paintbrush hair. You see how it's nice and pointy? Oh, what a good hair day. I'm going to rinse, 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 rinse. Make sure my paintbrush hair is nice and wet. And I'm going to start with my yellow. So I'm going to swirl, swirl, swirl in this yellow to wake it up. Wake up, yellow, wake up, yellow. Now I can see my paintbrush hair is changed to yellow, so I know we picked up a lot of that paint on the paintbrush hair. And I'm going to start painting. Ooh, that looks so pretty. The great thing about crayons is that when you paint light colors on top of them, you can still see all the nice lines that you made. When my paint starts getting a little scratchy and dry like this, I'm going to dip my brush back in my water and I can spread out that paint even more. The water is like magic. It helps the paint spread around, dance around the paper like a beautiful ballerina. I want to keep my paintbrush hair on its tippy toes, just like a beautiful ballerina. I never want to squish down my paintbrush hair. We want him to have a nice, good hair day all day. I'm ready to change colors, so I'm going to rinse my brush in my water again. Really good. Rinse, 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 until there's no more yellow on my paintbrush hair. That's how I know I'm ready to go to a new color. If I had yellow on my brush, and I went into orange, that wouldn't change my orange color. I don't want to do that, because then the next person wouldn't have the orange that they need. Swirl, swirl, swirl in the orange with my clean brush. My hair is orange. Now I'm going to go onto the paper. Ooh, very cool. To mix your 2 colors today, I'm going to paint my orange. See how I'm painting right on top of my yellow? And to mix it even more, I'm going to add that water back onto my brush and swirl, swirl, swirl. Mix them together. I love mixing colors on my paper. I think it looks really cool. Really, really cool. More water. Now I'm getting close to the edge of my bowl. Do you notice how I'm slowing down and taking my time and making sure I don't paint outside my line? That's going to be tricky for you guys today, but I'm pretty sure you are expert painters. So you shouldn't have any trouble staying inside that line, right? We don't want to paint our table. We just want to paint our bowl of soup. I rinsed my brush before I go into my yellow. Oops. All right, so I'm going to keep painting until I am very happy with how the colors look. When I'm all done, we will put it in a safe place to dry, and we will collect all of your paints and all of your brushes so Miss Morocco can get them all nice and clean for the next, oops, I just knocked my camera, for the next class, okay? So make sure that you are cleaning your brush between colors, you are filling up that whole paper, and you are doing your best work. Ta-da! Alphabet soup. Next time I see you, we will make our tablecloth and our spoon, okay? Good luck, everybody.